Yes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Introduce myself. My name is Evi Miftaria Zulfa, and you can call me Evi. I'm from English Education RPL Match 5. My study number is 3190250027. I want to tell you about aspect of article. The first title, title of article located at top of the first page above the author's name and abstract. The title of the article is Exploring Self-Efficacy of Learning Childhood Education Teacher in Teaching English to Young Learners in Indonesia Kindergarten, a mixed method approach. In the second, abstract. Abstract of article located at the beginning of a paper before the main body or introduction. Abstract of article. This study is aimed to analyze early childhood education or ECE teacher self-efficacy in teaching English for young learners in kindergarten context. The mixed method was chosen as a research designed to answer the research question what the extent to ECE teacher believe in their ability to teach English to young learners seen from three dimensions of self-efficacy, magnitude, generality, and strength. The participants in this study were 10 kindergarten teachers in a school located in Central Java. In collecting data, they were given questionnaire adopted from Bandura theory that proposed the level of self-efficacy containing three dimensions: magnitude dimension, generality dimension, and strength dimension. Then, an in-depth interview was conducted to validate and gather more data from the questionnaire filled in by participants. Findings show that the level of self-efficacy of teacher was adequate in the three dimensions of self-efficacy, magnitude, generality, and strength. However, participants saw lack of self-efficacy into statement in strength dimension, feeling comfortable to have the student learning English and teaching English is not frustrating. Ongoing professional development are needed, such as regularly workshop and English proficiency tests for teachers to improve ECE teacher self-efficacy in teaching English for young learners. And the third keyword, we can find keyword in bottom of abstract on page 1. Keyword of article is ECE, English, self-efficacy, teacher, and young learners. Purpose. We can find the purpose of the study in page 3 on introduction at last paragraph line H. The researcher said the purpose of the study is this is for duration, it is interesting to explore self-efficacy of ECE teacher in teaching English for young learners from those three dimensions stated by Bandura 1977 magnitude, generality, and strength dimension. And the next research problem. We can find research problem in page 3 on introduction at the last paragraph, line 7. As more as ECE school in Indonesia teach English to children, to demand for ECE teacher with ability in teaching English is rising. So, we conclude that the research problem of the study is limited ability and self-efficacy of early childhood education or ECE teacher in teaching English to young learners in Indonesia. The next previous study of the article archery study, the first Nurul Aini 2023, we can find in page 2 on introduction at the last paragraph. A research done by Nurul Aini investigate the self-efficacy of pre-service ECE teachers. The results of the study indicated that the factor that influence pre-service ECE teacher self-confidence in speaking English are self-concept factor, anxiety, vocabulary master level, environment, and experience. Two factor, anxiety and vocabulary mastery factor, are the factor most often expressed or shown by pre-service ECE teacher. The finding of the study imply the need for ongoing training for pre-service ECE teacher. And the second, conducted by Febrianti 2022, we can find in page 3 on introduction at the first paragraph. In a bilingual kindergarten in Bandung, West Java, they found some challenge in the implementation of English teaching in kindergarten in which the study located. One of the challenges is related to teacher readiness in teaching English to early childhood. The teacher have ECE educational that's more focus early childhood development than English teaching. At the last study conducted by Fitriati 2023, we can find in page 3 on introduction at second paragraph. Also found some challenge in the study. A pre-survey was given to 50 response of ECE teacher in the city of Salatiga, Central Java. The survey results showed that 100% of respondents introduced English in learning in school. 40% of respondents said English teaching is included in the core curriculum that integrate with the learning them, and 60% of respondents said of English teaching is only carried out as an extracurricular activity. that is scheduled periodically. And the last of the part, reference of article. We can find in the last part of article or page 10, the reference are correct and organized in alphabetical order from A to Z. For example, definition of self-efficacy taken by Artianto 2012 we can find on page 2 at second paragraph, and the next theory of language learning process in early childhood by Suswanti 2021 we can find on the page 10 at second paragraph. At the last, the competent at must have English teacher by Mutiah and 20 and 20 we can find on the page 8 at last paragraph. That is all of my presentation. I hope it was informative and useful for everyone. Thank you for your attention and have a great day everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.